Welcome to my channel, Las Delicias de la Cocina. Today we'll be making a delicious Mexican red sauce. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Ingredients we are going to be using are 11 tree chili peppers, 1 tomato, a piece of onion, oregano, and salt. We are going to now prepare our salsa in our blender. We are going to add our tomato, our 3 chili peppers, onion, oregano to your taste, salt to your taste, and lastly, 1 cup of water. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. As you could see, this is the texture we want our salsa. It is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this salsa recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more recipes. Don't forget to comment below what other recipes you would like to see in my channel, Las Delicias de la Cocina. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.